इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है तो कर लो ट्राई। क्या होगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक अटेम्प्ट के बाद यू विल फील कि नहीं आया इसमें मज़ा, ठीक है, एटलीस्ट यू विल नॉट फील कि मैंने ट्राई ही नहीं किया इस ऑप्शन को। तो या
तो मैथ्स इज समथिंग दैट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड कि मैथ्स का होना नहीं होना, एंड व्हाट अंकिता यू फील कि अदर देन मैथ्स, एक जैसे छाया मेंशन परसिस्टेंसी, अक्षिता मेंशन कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या हो जाएगा, आप अटेम्प्ट तो एटलीस्ट लो ना, एंड शी मेंशन अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट कि लाइफ में हम लोग कभी भी फिगर आउट कर सकते हैं चीजें।
राइट। या आई फील दैट दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ द एक्चुअल प्रोफेशन कि आप मतलब आप दूसरे कोर्स के साथ भी मतलब वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एग्जांपल्स इन दिस इंडस्ट्री कि पीपल आर डूइंग एक्चुअल एंड विद दैट दे आर डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ कोर्सेज। सो इट्स नॉट दैट कि अगर आप एक्चुअल में घुस गए आप कुछ और एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर सकते। You can definitely, it's about papers, you can still do other courses if you're not very sure about actuarial science. You can still start and see if you're able to crack one or two papers, or if your interest lies there. If not, you can obviously switch back to what you're doing. I have seen a lot of people like who started with me, actually, like many people, but they left midway because their interest didn't lie in actuarial science. They wanted to do something else. They went for MSc, they went for other career opportunities. So yeah, if you feel that it might interest you, I would say that just you can just start and check, like if it actually matters, and you can just stop midway after giving one or two papers. If you feel that it is not a matter of your interest, you can go for other options. But yeah, I think you can start with it. And yeah, definitely dedication is the key, because there are people who might complete it within 3 to 4 years. There are people who might complete it in 20 years, 21 years, 25 years. Yeah, so you need to have that patience, you need to have that dedications to complete this course. If you have cleared at least 4 to 5 papers, and you do not have any backup plan, and you want to complete this profession. So yeah, that's my take.
दैट वाज या
There's one more thing I would like to add. You started with the basic understanding of life that students have, that you have to earn money after any courses that you have, right? Actuarial is not that course is not just that course that will earn you money. Anything can earn you money, is what I want to say. Like, even I have seen engineers getting good jobs in Google, Microsoft, MBAs getting amazing salaries from the very starting. Anything that you do, please put your 100% into it, and that's how you can land to a very good high paying job that you can actually get. So I think not just one course can give you money. It's not about the course, basically. Anything, if you put your 100% into it, you will earn what you
एक्चुअली
want.
कोर्स से ज्यादा मेरे को लगता है वो आदमी जो कर रहा है,
Right.
वो स्किल सेट जो कंपनी में ला रहा है उसका ज्यादा वैल्यू है।
Exactly.
200%. I think actually maybe there are people who earn less or maybe don't reach that place because they are not wholeheartedly into it. So similarly, I think wherever your interest lies and you put in that effort, I think you'll reach there. Doesn't matter what profession.
सो मेनी पीपल डोंट नो कि मतलब एक्चुअली होता क्या है।
Right.
सो इट्स बीन मोर देन लाइक क्लोज टू 7-8 years, 10 years, आप लोग को काफी टाइम हो गया है। तो एक्चुअल में मेरे को ये समझ